to my channel. Okay, that was terrible. Welcome to my channel. I'm Lex, if you don't know me, and if you can't tell from the title of this video, this is my makeup routine. I won't call it a everyday makeup routine just because of like the pandemic and COVID. I don't wear makeup every day like I used to. This is more so like my tried and true, my ride or die, like my go-to. Tried and true, I don't know if I said it already, but this makeup routine is the one that I always reach for and go to, and I always use these products and my makeup comes out flawless every single time. Let's get into it. Before I forget, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you're not new here, welcome back. You know the routine. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm not going to be talking too much throughout this video. This is my affordable go-to makeup routine. The products that I use are going to be listed down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And if you want to see a tutorial on my technique on my brows, or how I apply my lashes or apply my lipstick, just comment down below and I'll be sure to drop a video. Well, that's enough talking for now. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. That is my everyday, why do I keep saying everyday? This is my go-to makeup routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos, just comment down in the comments. Just leave a comment and let me know. If you want to see my special technique on how I apply my lashes, just go ahead and let me know and I will definitely do a video for you guys. But that's it, and see you next time. Bye.